So, I've never done one of these, so we'll see how this goes. Um, I liked your paper. I liked how it was mostly about like your religion and everything. That was pretty cool. Number one, I just feel like you're saying or a lot, and you could maybe talk about how you have like, how about how like blue Dockers and like a white polo or a blue polo or like are your next favorite choices. Number two, I wasn't really sure if priest gets capitalized. Number three, I suggest rewording the sentence like the 9 years before that was basically the same routine except the principal was a nun. Number four, I just suggest in. Number five, say however before I maybe. Um, Number six, I would say I spent 13 years in Catholic school instead of the past. Again, I didn't know if you meant when for number seven or if you meant religious for number eight. Number nine, I got confused that Holy Family was a place for a second. I forgot that you went to, and then I looked up and I saw Holy Family Regional School. So maybe you could capitalize family to and add a comma. Number 10, I didn't know, or maybe believing would be better. Number 11, I just reworded the sentence. Number 12, add a comma. Number 13, my last couple years in high school, maybe like to reword it. Number 14, I suggested that you say I was growing sick of the weekly routine of going to church and sitting there hearing what seemed to be the same hour service every time. Because I felt like you said weekly and routine too much, or like routine too much, and it was kind of assumed. My mom is really religious, and she says God, He who created us, when she talks about like creating. So I put that there if you wanted to use it. 16, I just suggested adding still. I was told that you should never start a sentence with but, so I figured I'd pass that along. Um, Number 19, I suggested at the end of Sunday maybe adding a comma and connecting the sentences. And then number 20, I feel like you could just make that the ending of your paragraph instead of, because I feel like a one sentence paragraph isn't really a paragraph. And then number 21, I just added this at the end. So it looks really good. I really liked it. I mean, like, I just liked how yours was mostly about like your religious like background and stuff. But yeah, looks great.